Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to take apart a wired Xbox 360 controller. And yeah, okay, first of all you're going to need just this screwdriver. It's a number 6 Mastercraft. I think it's 5mm screwdriver, so it's very small, and it's the X screwdriver. I don't know what it's called, but on the controller there is, you could see about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, but there's also one hidden one underneath this tab. Wired controllers are different, and you need a special torque T10 screwdriver to fix it. But the wired controllers, it just has all the same screws. So I'm going to take these out really quick. There's one out. That's not okay. There's two. Sorry, that one's stripped a little bit. I do not know why. I'm just getting the third one out now. So there's a total of 7 screws. There's 3. The 4th. Getting the 5th. I already feel my controller coming loose on one side, because I'm already half done. Got the 5th done, going on 6. Note, if you miss the hidden screw, and if you try to pull your controller apart, if you got all the other ones out, your controller will just snap right in half. My friend did it because he did not look for hidden screws, which they do in most Microsoft stuff. This one screw is a pain in my ass. Well, let's go to the next one for now. Oh, screws are like. There we go. There we go. That other one popped out too. It was actually unscrewed. See, now you see that the controller's open now. So you gotta flip it upside down like this. You just gotta pop it off. Well, I'm just gonna tilt my screen. And there, your controller is apart. Let's see inside where the buttons are. Because if you take it off, you can see all the buttons on the inside. So I'm just gonna leave that rubber on. The reason why I'm taking my controller apart in the first place, because my LB button was it was like stuck. You can see right here. This is the motherboard of the controller. And then the 2 rattlers are here. That's where the vibration comes from, and the joysticks, which are very hard to take off. But right here are the buttons. Those little tabs right by my fingers. I'm touching them. Those are the bumpers, and for some reason my left bumper doesn't want to work right. So that's the whole reason why I'm doing this video and tutorial. See if I can get it fixed. Actually, might be able to solder it, but I don't have the time of day to do that now. See those buttons right there? But I'm actually going to show you how to put it together. I'm not going to show you me soldering shit, so I'm just going to put all the buttons back into place because the buttons are like shaped and they just fit on. I'm actually going to mix all my buttons up. Unless the size doesn't let you. Now you can only put the colors on certain sides because there's like little tabs that hold the button closed. Just gonna put the rest of these in, except for the start and back button, because they're just opposite sides. Because then B and then A. Once you get all the buttons in, you have to take this rubber piece and you just gotta put it on kind of the same way as the buttons, like that. And I don't want to flip it over yet, so when I grab this, I have to keep my button controller upside down, and I gotta put my rattlers in those slots because there's little spaces. Okay, I got those in, and I got to put the joysticks in, and you just clip it all together. They won't clip and stay though, you have to clip it. You see my RB button is still messed up a little bit, but my LB. And you just screw it back together, which I'm not going to show you because that took 2 minutes in the video. Thanks for watching, hope it helps.